Welcome to the part 2 session of site-to-site VPN configuration for FirePower Defense using FirePower Management Center. During the first part of the session, I've been able to take you through how to configure site-to-site VPN IKEv2. IKEv1, sorry. So now I want to do IKEv2. So I'm going to delete this VPN config. My objects are still intact, the VPN objects and the rest. Okay, but I've not created IKEv2 object, so I won't. Normally, I'm supposed to come and do it from here, from object management. I've created that of IKEv1, which we used in our part 1 session. IKEv1, but for IKEv2, I have not created, but I have the default. I can create mine and I can use default. But let's go to site, FirePower Defense. Okay, I'm using IKEv2 now. Site 1 to 2 and endpoint FTD1 interface is going to be outside this connection tab bidirectional. During the first part of the video I make use of subnet, but here I'm going to make use of access list, which I've also created in the part 1 session of this video. So this for site 1, access list that permits the interesting traffic. So this is going to be for FTD2. Interface is going to be outside. So I'm going to make use of access list. This for site 2. Okay. And for the V2, that's what we are using. This is the default, and I can create mine. I can also create it from here or use the default. So let me just create mine. Site 1 to 2. Lifetime. I'm going to use SHA for integrity, for encryption. Which is DS. Mind you, I'm running on evaluation mode. And for the firmware group, I'm going to use 5. I will save. So, and I'm going to select it, site 1 to 2. Pre-shared key, initially we used manual. Let me leave it at automatic this time around. And for IPsec, let me create mine also. I can create from here. And even I have one here. But let me just create another one. To new. So let me use SHA1 for this. Because I'm running evaluation mode, I have to come down on my encryption and hash algorithm. And click on save. Oh, sorry, I have something wrong here. Oh, let's go. I'm going to save. So I'll delete this. I'll put this. Is that so? That's done. I'm going to leave the rest of the setting as is, and now I'm going to click on save. So that's all. Don't forget, we've already created the necessary access control policy during the part 1 of this video. So all we need to do now is to test our traffic. So now let me go back to show crypto IKEv1. That should have been disconnected. IKEv1, let's say we shouldn't have any security association there. Oh, it's still there. Okay, let me clear. Okay, I've not even deployed this. Okay, let me leave it. Let me deploy this. I think the deployment should clear it off. It's almost done with the deployment. Okay. Oh, sorry. So the security session should have been turned down. You can see it's not there anymore. So let me initiate traffic. This time around, let me do it from the LAN behind FTD2. So I'll say ping 10.10.10.2. Good. Okay, so now show crypto IKEv2 SA. So we can see that. You can see this is FTD1 and FTD1 is the responder. Show crypto IKEv2 SA. You can see here, this is the initiator. This is the initiator FTD2 and the responder is FTD1. And you can see local selector, the local traffic, that's the source is 171.16.10 and going to this subnet. So that's the subnet we are protecting, from this subnet to this subnet. But on FTD1 we are protecting from this 10.10.10 to 172.16.10. So that's it. And if it show crypto IPsec SA, you can also see our IPsec association and our traffic is being encrypted. And we can also see that the tunnel is IKEv2 and IKEv2 tunnel. You can see that. And from here also, events. So from connection events, you're also going to see the connection here. You can see it. Now, this is for IKEv1, the event that was generated during the first part of this video. But if you look at this, the two that we're having on top happens to be the recent one. This is coming from FTD2 from this source and going to FTD1 on this source. So it's coming from inside to outside from FTD2's perspective. But now on FTD1, this connection event is recorded on FTD1. It's coming from 172.16.10.2 to 10.10.10.2, but it's coming from outside. That's ingress interface and is going to inside. So it's exiting through the inside interface of FTD1. So this brings us to the end of this video. Thank you for watching.